Welcome to LeaXR, the first learning space powered by the blockchain and propulsed by his own community. Old system school means a lot of waste time in transport, material organization, fixed schedule. Learners and teachers lose flexibility and efficiency. Our old education system need to improve from the digital and blockchain revolution. Courses, datas, history are not well structured and secured. Official documents, diplomas are not safely stored and accessible. The education blockchain revolution has arrived. Now students, teachers, schools, universities and investors are connected together by breaking the third part.
LeaXR platform offers hundreds of courses, machine learning, a learning content marketplace. Teachers and investors invest in learning content and get life royalties.
A full management learning system with videos, MOOC, tests, tutorials, certification and real-time live teachers. Teachers, schools, universities create and import courses into LeaXR platform. They distribute, sell and promote their courses and get life royalties. Courses owners keep their right on their content for life with blockchain transaction transparency.
Investors found teachers to realize self-paced courses. Teachers offer their skills to create learning contents and list projects. All transactions are recorded over the Ethereum blockchain. LeaXR offers to students and companies a huge catalog with free and paid lessons with life certification over the blockchain. Teachers, schools distribute and sell their contents. Investors and teachers get royalties on their learning investments.
LeaXR token utility brings security and efficiency to the education world. Thousands of courses driven by machine learning. An education marketplace on the top of the Ethereum blockchain and solutions for learning investment. Join our ICO, participate with us to the education revolution, and contribute to our token sale on ico.leaxr.com.